In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up the Arkscan Wi-Fi Label printer on a Windows computer and print a sample shipping label. Before continuing watching this video, verify if your printer comes with the Wi-Fi connection. If the printer's model number ends with WF, then it has this feature. To get started, we need to make sure that the USB cable is plugged into both the computer and the back of the printer, and that the printer is powered on with a blue light on top. Let's begin by opening a web browser and going to the website arkscan.com/driver. Click on the Windows drop-down list, then Wi-Fi tab, and click the link to download the printer tool. The download status in most browsers will show in the top right corner. And by default, they are set to put the downloaded file into the Windows download folder. After completion of downloading the file, click in the browser to open the file, or go to your download folder and double-click to open the file diagnostictool.zip. Once opened, drag the folder, called Printer Tool, onto your computer's desktop. If you try to run the program while it's still inside the compressed zip file, the software's language will not show as English. Double-click to open the Printer Tools folder. Now, double-click on the printertool.exe file. You may get a Windows protection message. If so, click on More Info, and then Run Anyway. Windows may also prompt that it needs to install the .NET framework if it has not previously been installed on the computer. These files are necessary for the printer tool to run and must be downloaded, and it can take between 5 to 10 minutes to download. Under the Interface drop-down, make sure USB is chosen. Click Get Status, and make sure the dot turns green. If the dot does not turn green, verify your USB connections are fully pushed in and the printer is turned on with a blue light. Click on the tab that's labeled BT/Wi-Fi. Click Scan. This will find all of the detectable Wi-Fi signals and list them in this box. Sometimes it can take a few minutes, depending on how many Wi-Fi signals there are. If your network is not listed, please verify that the Wi-Fi signal you are wanting to join is using a 2.4 GHz signal and not a 5 GHz signal. If the scan list only shows a black diamond icon, please close the application, turn off the printer, relaunch the application, turn the printer back on, and repeat these steps again. When your Wi-Fi connection appears, highlight it, and then go up to the PIN field. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi name that you selected. You can click this box to reveal what you have entered. Click the Connect box. If the printer is able to connect to your Wi-Fi network, the IP field will populate an available IP address. If the populated IP address is 0000, it means that the printer has not been joined successfully to your Wi-Fi network. Most likely, the password that you entered in the PIN field was incorrect. Click Get. Now, we highly suggest to set the printer's IP address to static instead of dynamic, so that your computer can permanently connect to the printer with the same unchanged IP address. Dynamic IP can still work until your Wi-Fi network reassigns a new IP address for the printer. Choose DHCP off to set the static IP address. In this IP box, write the IP address that was obtained a moment ago from this box. And now, click Set to save this information to the printer. We can verify that it worked by going to this drop-down, choose Wi-Fi, Setup, Discover. You will see the printer listed, with the IP address we assigned it. If the printer is not discovered, there are a few things that can cause this to happen. The computer and printer are in different networks from each other. This can sometimes be caused by Wi-Fi extenders or mesh networks. Try joining the printer and the computer to the same mesh node or Wi-Fi extender. VPN, firewall, or antivirus software can also prevent communication with the printer. Try temporarily disabling them to see if that helps the printer to appear. Now, exit this window, click Get Status, and verify that the dot stays green. You can also click Configuration Page to print a settings page. Please unplug the USB cable from your computer and the printer before proceeding. Now we need to download the printer driver to complete the setup process. In your web browser, go to arkscan.com/driver. To download the printer driver installer, click on the Windows drop-down list, and then click on the Download Driver Installer for Windows link. After the file is downloaded, click in the browser to open the file, or go to the Windows Downloads folder and double-click to open the file Arkscan Printer Driver. A Windows warning dialog may pop up at this point, or a blinking shield may appear in the taskbar. Click Yes to continue the installation. At the Windows Firewall prompt, click Allow Access. Click Install. Please note that if you see a different prompt than what is shown here, such as the prompts on the right, you are using the classic Siegel driver installer. Please download the Arkscan installer as shown in the beginning of this video. Or to continue with the Siegel driver installation, please see our video link in the description. The printer will be auto-detected and listed in this box. You can rename the printer if you like. I'm going to name mine Arkscan 2054K Wi-Fi. Click Next. The driver is now installed for your Arkscan label printer. You can click Finish to close the driver installer. By default, the printer driver is set up to use a 4x6 label. But if you need to select a different paper size, or make other changes to the printer settings, you can do so by typing the word printer in the Windows search box or magnifying glass, and select Printers and Scanners when it appears. Look for the Arkscan 2054K Wi-Fi printer, or whichever name you gave yours. Click on Manage, Printing Preferences. Here, we can select a new paper size, or if the size that you need is not listed, you can create a new one. For more specific instructions, please watch our How to Create a Custom Paper Size in Windows video. Now that the printer and driver are ready, we can test print a sample 4x6 label by clicking on this link or by going to arkscan.com/sample. Make sure you have run the printer calibration before printing. See the link below on how to run printer calibration. Let's print a 4x6 sample shipping label. There are different ways to print depending on which web browser you are using. In Chrome, you can click on the printer icon in the top right. Edge also has a printer icon in the top right. Firefox, you can click on the icon or go up to File and choose Print. Now that we have the print dialog open, let's first verify that Arkscan is selected as the printer. In paper size 4x6, fit to printable area, or adjust scale percentage to fit. Usually it's 100%. Now we can hit print and verify. If a single label printed and fills up the entire label, your printer works properly. When printing a label through the Wi-Fi wireless connection, you may experience a variance in speed and printing duration. You should expect the printer to take about 3 to 10 seconds to print one 4x6 shipping label based on your wireless network's traffic in that moment. Wi-Fi is in a bandwidth sharing environment compared to USB printing, which is more consistent since it's in a dedicated environment. And if you want guidance on setting up how to print with a particular printing platform, visit this link to see more information. If our content has been helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, where we will continue to offer free tips and help for our label printer users. And be sure to click that bell icon so that you'll be notified of our future releases. And please use the add comment section below to contact us with your questions or feedback. Thank you.